like hearing like an Amanda or something or an A name?
Okay, so my current significant other, his ex-wife is Amanda.
Oh, okay.
So there's that. So she's definitely present in our lives, very much so.
Okay, well, it's James, your supernatural coach, and today we're talking about how to get names prophetically. You see, in our ministry, if you've watched any of our videos or you've seen us go out on the street, getting people's names, getting their nicknames, getting family members' names is something that's really important for us. Now, I want to tell you the story, like, how did I get there? Because it's not something that had naturally just come to me. It's actually something I had to grow in. So I was really hungry to be able to get people's names. So the first thing you have to do if you want to start getting names or really do anything in the supernatural, you've got to hunger for it. You've got to desire it. So I got hungry. I was like, Lord, I want to, when I'm doing evangelism, to get names and significant names for people. So I began to pray, God, would you do that in me? Would you give me names? And the second thing I did is I set a 30-day challenge for myself. This was 2019, September of 2019. I said, every day I am going to commit to giving a name to someone I don't know. And so I would go to Starbucks. I'd go up to the barista. Hey, does the name John mean anything to you? And they'd say no, and it went like this for 27 days. I gave names to people and I totally failed. But the thing is, I knew that being committed to the process of giving it, even if it's wrong, God would entrust it to me. And so on September 27th, I was out on the street and I want to show you this video of when I got my first name. I am working on developing words of knowledge. It's gifting. Okay. And so I've been working all month. I have a month challenge to get names and family member names. Okay? I've not been super successful. So if you give me a second, could I try and get some family member names? Because I know Scott, so I'm obviously not going to say that. Okay. All right, how about an Andy?
It's my mom.
You have a mom named Andy? Okay. So that kept coming to me and I was like, no, that's not right. Okay. All right, what's on your mind for Andy, Lord? Okay, I bet you bless your mom so much if you were like, Mom, you're a really good mom. Thanks for being a good mom. Do you think so? Do you ever tell her that?
No, we don't really talk about that kind of stuff.
I know, right?
Yeah. So
that's why we catch her by surprise.
That'd be pretty cool.
So as you saw there, I spoke to the girl. This was the first time I really got a name in knowing what I was doing, and the name Andy. And so I was able to really help minister and bring forgiveness and honor back to the relationship between the daughter and her mother. And so from that point on, I began to see a significant increase in getting names. Now, I'm not going to stand here and tell you that every name I give is always right. I have a whole blooper reel I should probably share with you of the times that it hasn't been right. But that's so irrelevant to me because the times it has been right is what I should focus on, and what I do focus on is that I've seen it transform people's lives. I've seen people be known that Jesus sees them and cares about them. I've seen them minister to their family and be empowered to share the gospel. And so as I commit to it, I've just seen a greater expansion on giving names, sometimes giving first and last names and more detailed names. But I'm hungry for that. I'm going for addresses, I'm going for numbers, I'm going for dates. But if we commit to it in prayer and we commit to it in faith activity, we're going to see God do it in our lives. So God bless you guys. I pray that you take a risk to get named. I'd love to hear how it goes. Please put it in the comments if you're able to get some. And let's just glorify Jesus as we take risks and love him well. Be blessed.